This is our project, and the name of our project is Solar System. There are 8 planets in Solar System. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. At the centers of Solar System, there is the Sun. The Sun is the nearest star to the Earth. It gives us heat and light. It looks like a heat hole of fires that glow with intense brightness. The first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the planet nearest to the Sun. It is also brightest and smallest planet in the solar system. It can be seen only during twilight and at night. It is very hot during the day and very cool at night. Mercury does not have much air and has no moon. The second planet is Venus. Venus is the brightest object in the sky after the sun and moon. It is also called the morning or evening star. It is because it can be seen first in the morning and evening. Venus is the closest star to the Earth. It is also has no moon. The third planet is Earth. Earth is the only planet where life exists. Earth is the neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air that contain oxygen. It is also called the blue planet because 70% of its surface is covered with water. The fourth planet is Mars. Mars is called the red planet. It appears because it is covered with red light. Mars looks a lot like the Earth. It has two moons. The fifth planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It has 62 moons. This giant planet spins faster than any other planet. It has the large red spot on its surface. The sixth planet is Saturn. The second largest planet is Saturn. It is the beautiful planet with the 7 shining rings in the middle. These rings are made of ice and dust. It has 60 moons. The seventh planet is Uranus. Uranus is the third largest planet in the solar system. It has 27 moons. Uranus is the first planet to be discovered using a telescope. The last planet is Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. It has 13 moons. That's all.
Very well explained.